Hello guys, how are you, and welcome to this tutorial. So today we will learn the use of scanner function in Java. It is actually used to accept input from the user. So let's go ahead and create a program to accept user input. So for that, let's go to this small button right here. You can do this from new and then go to Java project and then just give a name. I will give it like users, and let's go. These are default setting is good, so let's go ahead and click finish. And now let's go and press the small button right here, go to the source folder, right click it and go to new and go to class, and let's name our class something like let's give it like user input. Okay, all right, I think this is going to be fine. And let's import our main function right from here. So let's go ahead and check this box and then click finish. All right, and now this is auto-generated comment, so let's go ahead and erase this. So first we have to create an object that accepts input from the user. So for that purpose, let's go ahead and create that object scanner. Let's give this object name input equals to new scanner and then system.in. So this object right here, this object name input will accept something from the user, and here's some warning message, so don't worry about this. You just have to click this warning message and just import scanner by double clicking here, or you can just use the keyboard shortcut that is Control Shift and O. So when this gets imported, you'll just get another warning. It says the value is not used. Don't worry about it, we'll use it. So now let's go ahead and display some message to the user. We will tell the user to enter your name. So now we are asking user to enter his name. Now we will accept the input. This input is of type string, we know, and we will give it name equals to input dot next line. So this means we are accepting string input from the user. Similarly, let's go ahead and display another message. It will say enter your let's go ahead and give it like ID number. All right, so ID number, I don't know what that is, but it is some kind of number. Okay, so for some kind of number, it is of integer data type, and we will give it name ID equals to next int, oh sorry, it's capital, all right, int, and then we'll close the bracket and end it. So this is what is wrong out here. Okay, oh, I forgot to write input dot next int. So in this way, we're accepting string integer from the user by creating a string object right here, but we have already created the scanner object. And similarly, now let's go ahead and display the result in this way. So name dot, so we will give like name plus it's let's give it a big of tab right here, and ID, this slash t will just give a big indentation right there. Indentation means space between this name and ID. So let's go ahead and give ID over here, and then we are good to go. Now if you want to get rid of this warning, then you can just close this input. So to close it, input dot close in this way, and now we're good to run this program. So let's go ahead and run this program by clicking this run button right here. When you run this program, it will ask to enter your name. So my name is Nadia Nabakova, for example. If you're wondering who's he, just go and Google it. Okay, now enter your ID number. So I'll just enter 19 for now, and now name Nadia Nabakova and ID is equals to 19. So in this way, you can create your own program that will accept input from the user, and you can display it right here. So you can also initialize array using scanner, and if you want to catch that tutorial, then you have to watch the next video. So for now, you guys are good to go.